While my fiance was out of town for a week, I drove to Atlanta and bought a Duramax diesel for her. And today she is back in town, so let's surprise her with her new truck. Alright, we parked the truck in front of my neighbor's house, so maybe she won't notice it. It was parked right there, and I moved it in front of my neighbor's house. And we'll see if she'll notice. I have sent her pictures of trucks that were similar to that one, so she might have an idea, but I didn't tell her I was buying a truck, and like buying a truck's a pretty big decision, so she's not expecting to have a truck. So we'll see how this goes. Shouldn't we be taking the rental?
No.
Why not?
Because we got a big rug in there that I bought for us. It's really big. Yeah. I just drove all the way from Pennsylvania down here.
Oh, I'm driving. Start the truck. Remote start it. You gotta lock it first.
Oh, I'm so sorry. You bought it already?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's yours.
Mine?
Yeah. Let's go. You're driving your truck. You like it?
Yeah, it looks nice.
You didn't even notice it, huh?
No, I thought it was, I don't know, the neighbor.
Yeah, that's why I parked it here. You gotta unlock the...
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So it's gonna be a project. Got a sunroof. It doesn't have cooled seats though.
I guess I can get over the cool seats.
We'll put the cooled seats.
Oh, that's nice, babe.
You want me to drive it or you want to drive it?
We can drive.
Okay.
I just drove across the East Coast.
Okay, let's go. Alright, first drive.
I got cat hair all over me.
Okay, let's go. What? You nervous?
No.
Are you sure you're not nervous?
No, I'm positive I'm not nervous.
You don't have to adjust the seat or anything?
No.
Okay, let's go.
Should I do what Dad did when he pulled out with the car?
And floor it? No, please don't.
No? You sure?
Yeah.
That wouldn't make for a good video or what?
As long as we didn't crash, I think we'd be okay.
You don't trust my driving abilities?
Well, we are on the like a 30 horsepower tune, so I think we might be okay.
I don't know what that means. But
It means we don't have all the ponies. We have a little bit of the ponies.
You don't need to dumb it down like that for me. But thank you.
We don't have all the horsies. Just 30 horsies.
Just, okay.
Might be 80 horsies. I know it's not a go full turtle or full rabbit horsey.
A full turtle?
Full rabbit. This is like a slight turtle.
I really hate that humming sound.
Yeah, we're gonna get that fixed. That is the fast lift bump. You feel the power?
No.
It's kind of slow, huh?
Yeah. It is. I didn't want to be mean, so yeah, it's slow, but it's slow.
Compared to what?
My car?
Girl, don't be
Your black truck?
True.
I feel like the red truck is a little faster than this.
Right, it is. This truck is kind of slow, very sluggish.
I like it though.
You like it?
I think it drives nice.
It's gonna drive even better. That's the goal. What I didn't explain is that this truck is, I bought it for her, and we're building it for our wedding, so it's gonna have our wedding colors. And I want her to drive this truck because I'm kind of sick of her driving her Jetta or traveling in her Jetta and people disrespecting us on the road, cutting us off. People get upset when you're in that Jetta. Like, we've been in a several road rage where we did nothing wrong, and
I don't know.
And like one dude had his light bar on for like 10 miles behind us. Coolest truck of the year.
Can't see nothing.
Way to show off your 50-inch light bar. 2013 is calling your name, buddy. it wasn't even us, it was the Challenger next to us or something, where like 3-4 people ahead of us were being stupid, and there was like a group of people who were in a road rage, and we were just traveling along, and this Dumbo in a Tahoe decided that his eBay light bar was gonna do us some serious damage. And
yeah, I was really intimidated. It was really scary.
Yeah.
What the situation is that people get in the passing lane, just don't pass things.
I know.
We just chill.
And when you're in a bigger truck, you can demand some respect, but not only that, you just feel safer. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I do.
And I feel like that's my #1 goal, is I want her to be as safe as possible. So I want her to have a truck. So found this truck. It's just like my last Denali, which I bought that truck when we first started dating 5 years ago.
Yeah, that was the first truck you bought after the white one.
Yeah. And we were dating for like 3-4 months, and I bought that truck, so it kind of brought back memories.
10,000 years ago.
So I felt like that was a really good body style to buy. You liking this so far?
I do, yeah. It's not gonna be as wide as that truck, is it?
No. Well, it'll be wide.
Okay.
It's also gonna have wide tires, so if you do hit curbs,
I'm not gonna. When have I ever hit a curb?
you don't, but I'm saying if you do, it'll be okay.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put a bigger turbo in this,
Calm.
so it's gonna go shoo. Okay, I feel like we can find a turning point. Do you feel powerful?
I mean,
I feel like you own the road.
No, but I like that I can see a lot further, and I'm a little higher up than my car. Yeah, just like it. It's just, it's easy driving it. Not to say your other trucks aren't easy to drive, but
This one's easier because it's stock.
yeah, for now it's stock.
Well, the biggest we're gonna do is a 5-inch kit, because like I said, the main goal is build it for her.
Ew, why does the steering wheel shake when you...
Because I think the rotors are warped. The goal is to make this truck as... Girl, we're not in your Jettas. We're not going to be able to just do a... Alright, you try. Go ahead.
Well, now I'm not at the right angle anymore.
Okay.
Sir?
Maybe there's probably a cul-de-sac or something. Or you can pull in this driveway. Doesn't matter.
I don't know. I don't like that driveway. They look sketchy.
But the main goal is to build something that she can drive every day, and that's going to be very drivable. But at the same time, I want this to be over the top compared to the last Denali we had. So I'm going to powder coat a lot more components. We're going to wrap it, do more performance. So this truck is going to be, it's definitely going to be cooler than the last one. I know a lot of people were commenting saying, oh, you just bought another truck just like your last one. Like, why would we follow you, blah, blah, blah. But I guarantee you guys are going to be watching this build because it's going to be really entertaining. And I got a lot of great ideas in mind. So I'm going to upgrade the radio, because the newer trucks, the radio is like up here. But this one is like down here, and it's actually kind of like...
Oh, we have backup camera too.
Yeah, we got a backup camera, girl. This is a 2011. It's a Denali.
What is the sexiest car a guy can drive?
Oh, a GMC Denali.
It's a Denali.
And now,
It's a Denali.
I mean, this is the only truck that I've ever driven that you've owned that has a full turning radius.
You got that right.
Is that gonna go away?
I'm gonna try to maintain the turning radius.
Thank you.
Like I said, this is your truck. This is yours, so.
It's mine.
You like this truck?
I do. I like it a lot.
Did I do good?
You did.
Okay, good.
I was really confused when the truck started and I didn't know where it was. Because I thought it was the red truck.
You thought we were taking the red truck?
I did.
Well, as long as she likes this truck, I think we're good. The ride quality is going to be the most important for this truck, because I do want to use this truck as our traveling vehicle. So whenever we go on vacation, I want to use this truck. Take this truck. If it's fuel efficient, at least more fuel efficient than my other trucks, and it's still going to look good, and we're going to be traveling comfortably. So that is the goal for this truck. So make sure to stay tuned. She's gonna be helping me build this truck. She's gonna be I'm gonna make her turn the wrenches a little bit, and she's gonna help out with maybe painting the frame So make sure to hit the subscribe button and share this with your significant other. So that way they'll approve you buying a truck and buying truck parts.
Okay.
As long as you're building it for them, they can't say anything about, you know, you buying truck stuff. Right, babe? Huh?
That's not how that works.
That's exactly how that works. On that note, we're gonna end this video.